Hi all, welcome back to Arlene's Recipe Corner. I am Arlene Khan. Today's video I am going to show you how I made this egg pepper masala, or you can also call this as egg green masala or egg kali mirch. I hope you love this recipe of mine, so keep watching. Boil 6 to 7 eggs and apply thin cuts all around the eggs with the help of a knife. Next, into a mixer jar, add 1 teaspoon peppercorns, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, 2 roughly chopped onions, 1 piece of ginger, 1 green chili, 6 to 7 cloves of garlic, handful of coriander leaves, salt to taste, half cup of water. Now grind this to a coarse mixture. The coarse mixture is ready. This should be the consistency of the mixture. In a pan, heat 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. Once hot, add 1 thinly sliced onion and 1 red chili. Now fry the onions till they turn brown in color. Once the onions turn brown in color, add the ground green masala and fry well for 3 to 4 minutes on low to medium flame. Now you can see the green masala has cooked well and the corners have released oil, and the color has also changed to a little darker green. At this stage, add the boiled eggs and fry them well for 1 minute. Once the eggs are coated well with the masala, add 1 cup of rinsed water from the mixer jar. Give this a good mix. Do add another cup of water if required, and also check for salt and add if it's required. Now cover the pan and cook this on low flame for 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, the gravy is well cooked along with the eggs. Give this a good stir. Now finish the dish by squeezing juice of half a lemon. Egg pepper masala or egg kali mirch is ready to be served. Serve it hot and relish it with dosas, idlis, idiyappam, roti, paratha or rice. I hope you like this recipe of mine. Please give a like, share this recipe. Hey all, welcome back to my channel. A garnish with a spicy kick and lemony flavor topped over spicy fried eggs is my recipe video on my channel for today. It's an egg chaat recipe which is very simple and quick to make. This can be served as an evening snack or as a starter. I hope you like this recipe of mine, so keep watching till the end. To marinate the eggs, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 2 big pinch of red chili powder, 2 big pinch of pepper powder, 1.5 teaspoon of corn flour, a big pinch of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Now I am going to give the spices and corn flour a good mix. Add water little at a time to mix the corn flour with the spices and ginger garlic paste and to form a nice thin marinade. Adding more water to adjust the consistency, we need to ensure that the marinade is thin and not thick. Now the marinade is ready. Here I have boiled 4 eggs and cut them into half. Now dip each piece of egg into the marinade and coat the marinade all over the egg pieces. Keep them aside on a plate. Repeat the same with all the egg pieces. Now I'm going to add a teaspoon of water into the marinade that is remaining and pour it all over the eggs. Now our eggs are coated well with the marinade and I'm not going to allow it to rest more than 5 minutes. Heat a pan and add 2 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is hot, add the marinated eggs. I'm first placing the yolk side onto the pan, adding some curry leaves for some extra flavor. Now fry the eggs on each side till they get a nice golden crisp color. Once done, with the help of a spatula, I'm going to move the eggs a little so that it's easy for me to turn them over to the other side. Let me show you how well it's fried. This is the color that I'm looking for while frying the eggs. Now turn over the eggs to the other side and fry them till they get a nice light golden brown color. Give the pan a shake so that the eggs do not get caught at the bottom of the pan. Once the eggs are fried on the other side, I'm going to turn them over and see if it's well fried. This is what I'm looking at the other side too. So once the eggs are done, I'm going to turn off the flame. To garnish, I have finely chopped 1 onion, 1 green chilli and few coriander leaves. Into this I'm going to add a pinch of salt, a pinch of pepper powder and few drops of lemon juice, giving it a good mix. Now let's dish the eggs from the pan. Arrange the eggs onto the serving plate as per your liking. And I'm going to top these eggs over the spicy and lemony flavored garnish that we just made before. So here is my recipe of making an egg chaat recipe that's very simple and quick to make, which can be also served as an evening snack or as a starter. I hope you liked this recipe of mine. If yes, please do give this video a like. Subscribe for more easy, simple and quick recipes. Take care. Bye-bye.